Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's class, I will continue with the exercise 3.3. Already we solved so many examples. Now I am continuing with the exercise 3.3. See question number 18. Prove that sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y is equal to tan of x minus y. Write down the LHS. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. So here we are applying a formula sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 and cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So apply that. This is 2 cos c plus d, x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 whole divided by 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here 2 get cancels, cos c plus d by 2, cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2 get cancels. See here, sin x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2 is remaining. They have the same angle and sin by cos is tan. Tan x minus y by 2. That is RHS. So moving to the next question, that is question number 19. So moving to the next question, that is question number 19. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. The question is same for all the one. It is prove that in exercise 3.3. See here, write down the LHS. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. I wrote the formula sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. So apply that formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 whole divided by cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here 2 get cancels, x plus 3x is 4x, 4x divided by 2 is 2x. Sin 2x, this is x minus 3x is minus 2x, minus 2x upon 2 is minus x. Cos of minus x divided by, this is cos 2x into cos of minus x. Both cos of minus x get cancelled, sin by cos is tan. Tan 2x, that is nothing but RHS. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 20. Question number 20, same prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. See here, first write on the LHS. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. In these four formula, what you are observing? We are observing we have only for two expressions we have a formula, sin C minus sin D or cos C plus cos D, like that. But here we have a three numbers and directly you can apply the formula for these two. But 4x plus 3x is 7. 7 divided by 2, it is a fraction. So just to avoid that, I am rearranging that. Cos 4x plus cos 2x. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Like that. Plus cos 3x I did separate. In the denominator also I wrote in the grouping form. Sin 4x plus sin 2x. And outside I wrote sin 3x. And for that bracket, the bracket is in the form of cos C plus cos D and sin C plus sin D. Apply that. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus cos 3x whole divided by sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus sin 3x. Correct or what? Now write down the simplified form. 4x plus 2x is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 cos 3x into cos x plus cos 3x. See, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Divided by 2 sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. And students, what the mistake generally you are doing? You are cancelling this cos x and cos x. No, we cannot cancel because cos x is present in between the expression. It is not outside or independent. It is in between the expression. And after that middle plus, you cannot cancel. If multiplication is there, you can cancel. So what you are doing? We are taking cos 3x common in the numerator. What is remaining? 2 cos x plus 1. And in the denominator, sin 3x is common. In the bracket, 2 cos x plus 1. See, this bracket get cancels. Cos by sin is cot. Cot 3x. They have the same angle. So that is RHS. Moving to the next question, question number 21. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So here we are not writing either LHS or RHS, but we are using one basic general concept here. See how you will split cot 3x. Cot 3x will be written as 2x plus x. It is in the form of cot x plus y, that is cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So apply that formula. Cot 2x into cot x minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot 2x. On left side cot 3x as it is. Cross multiply this. Cot 3x in the bracket. Cot x plus cot 2x is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Don't mix with that. Remove the bracket. It is cot 3x into cot x plus cot 2x into cot 3x. You cannot multiply trigonometric term because they have a different angles. Now it is cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Take minus 1 this side and the remaining two terms on that side. Taking minus 1, it becomes plus 1. Cot 2x into cot x. Remember, cot 2x into cot x or cot x into cot 2x, they are similar. Minus this term on that side and this term also. It is cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. So this is the required answer, that is cot 2x into cot x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So this is the required answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 22. Sorry, I missed that 20. Question number 20, I missed that. Change that. Previous whatever this did, that is 22. Sorry, this is 20. 20th question I missed that. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. This sum I missed. That's why the numbers are shuffled. Now I am writing the left side, sin x minus sin 3x, sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. See, we have a formula, sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So apply the formula for numerator. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. And the denominator is nearer to the formula but not the formula. What is the formula? Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. But here we have sin square minus cos square. Take minus common. It is cos square x minus sin square x. So 2 cos x plus 3x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. And it is sin x minus 3x is minus 2x divided by 2 is minus x. Divided by, now it is minus cos 2x. And what is the sign of minus theta? Sign of minus theta is minus sin theta. So with the help of this, the numerator is minus 2 cos 2x into sin x divided by minus cos 2x. See, this minus cos 2x get cancels, even minus also get cancels. What is remaining? 2 sin x is remaining. Remember, these minus get cancels. That is the required answer. Moving to the next question. That is question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x in the bracket to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. So write down the LHS. Tan 4x, that will be written as tan 2x plus 2x. It is in the form of tan x plus y. That is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So it is tan 2x plus tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x. This is 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x, and we have a formula tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Keep 2 as it is. Tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus tan 2x is tan square 2x is tan 2x whole square, that is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Numerator I kept as it is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 4 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now take the LCM for a denominator term. When you take the LCM for denominator term, say I kept 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x as it is. Take the LCM. 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. One term is cancelled with this and remaining one term goes up because this is a fraction. It is 4 tan x in the bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by, write down the remaining term in the denominator, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. Apply the formula a minus b whole square. 4 tan x in the bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by a square plus b square minus 2ab so it is 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by 1, it is minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x is minus 6 tan square x. Tan square x whole square is tan raised to 4x. This is RHS. Moving to the next question. Question number 24. Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Here on the left side we have a cos 4x. First write down the LHS and I am giving you the formula here. It is cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 and next one is 1 minus 2 sin square x. They are multiples and submultiple. Multiples. Whatever is angle, half of that we are getting here. Here sin cos 4x half is 2 and 1 is required in the starting. Out of these two formula, 1 starts first only we have here. So write down the second formula. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Angle becomes half and we are familiar. Sin square 2x will be written as sin 2x whole square. Remember why we use the second one? Because in the answer on the right side the starting number is 1. Out of these two formula in the second one the starting number is 1. Now 1 minus sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x whole square. It is 1 minus 2 in the bracket 4 sin square x into cos square x. So it is 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. This is RHS. Now moving to the next question, question number 25. That is the last question in the exercise. But we have miscellaneous examples, important examples that I will explain in the next class. Question number 25. Cos 6x is equal to 32 into cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4 plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now tell me which formula is applicable. Yes, here the first one is applicable because 1 is required in the last, that too minus 1. Write down the LHS. And what is the half of 6? Half of 6 is 3. So it is 2 cos square 3x minus 1. And have you remembered cos 3x formula? Yes. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 2 as it is in the bracket 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. Apply a minus b whole square. 4 cos cube x whole square plus 3 cos minus 2ab minus 2 into 4 cos cube x into 3 cos x plus 3 cos x whole square bracket complete minus 1. Now understood why we use the formulas, these formulas depending on the right side answer. 2 as it is, 4 square is 16, cos cube x whole square is cos raised to 6 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 cos raised to 4 plus 9 cos square x minus 1. Take 2 inside the bracket. This is 32 cos raised to 6 minus 48 cos raised to 4 plus 18 cos square x minus 1. This is RHS. Yes students, is the examples are very simple or what? Yes. If you are thorough in the formula, the examples are very easy and easily you can solve. So to get the more videos in the simple step, don't miss to watch the videos.